media also to understand. Because at least I have an opportunity to interact with the media, but what about a common man? Does he have a chance for justice? Because of our exposure to different countries, because of our handling so many things, and because of our interaction with so many senior legal luminaries and everybody, we were able to come to this conclusion and take this matter to this extent. So, my dear friends, I have given everything in the small press note, and of course, everything is everything is there. Just a few days back, on the 15th of April 2014, the judge directed HMR to disclose the full details of the detailed project report and stated that the Metro Rail Authority, we quote, shall not raise pillars beyond the foundation level of the disputed site. Further, the court stated that the Metro Railway Station had become paid. The closest to our premises should come up at the change point of 10,071 meters, which clearly does not correspond to CCIL, but corresponds to where the Hyderabad Public School and Varun Motors are located. CCIL fully supports the Metro Rail project. With this in mind, we have already seeded 1,700 square yards of prime land on the main road, amounting to about 35 crores. That is, we are a very progressive company. We have never for a moment flinched. When Metro was coming, we were really very proud. And we were the first persons to give. And after giving the property for the Metro project, the 1,700 square land, we have also taken a no certificate. Yeah, we have taken a no objection certificate for the building. There is a housing our global headquarters by none other than by the same person, Rajeev Reddy. So you can understand that our commitment for the project, and also we have followed all rules that were necessary to build up the project. There, as you all know, like we have said, more than 1,000 people are employed. From there, we work in 10 different countries, and there are more than 2 million families who are totally dependent on this. And apart from that, more than 12,000 people are working for the company. In conclusion, my dear friends, I like to demand Mr. Rajeev Reddy, the MD of HMR, to confirm our no objection certificate and the transfer of the said piece of the property. Let him admit it. Further, we demand Mr. Rajeev Reddy to fully disclose the DPR and not just an extract. What we have got is an extract. We want the full DPR of the project to be made public to everybody. As regarding L&T, it's a very professional company, it's a very respected brand, and they have done major infrastructure projects around the world. I'm sure they are also aware of the developments of what is happening, and they would not, knowingly, they would not be getting involved in this kind of an illegal issue. On the contrary, we would also request L&T find a suitable solution for this problem, because this is a very major infrastructure company, and I'm sure, I think for them, this is a very, very small issue, because they build ports, they build projects in the sea, they build huge, amazing highway projects and so many things. So I'm sure, I think, if L&T also takes it in the right spirit, and also gives a helping hand, definitely I'm sure we can find a solution. In addition to seeking justice through legal recourse, we will reserve the right to seek all other options, including calling for full investigation of the handling of the Metro Railway project by all concerned investigation authorities on Mr. Rajeev Reddy, HMR, and all their associates. Thank you. 3 days back, that the DPR was available to us. After fighting with them for months together, after they are hiding and they are not disclosing the DPR, because of the media, because we went to court, because the honorable judge ordered for DPR to be produced before the court, and then they gave 1 day for our people to also examine, then we came to know that the DPR existed and it starts like this, and up to Varku we didn't have information. Why it was suddenly changed? It's a matter that really, baffles me. Right now it is not the land. Right now, their original thing was to have a station near the country club. That is what we wanted to dispel the fact that in no way we are going to be allowing that. That is totally illegal. We have got an obligation certificate by HMR itself. Plus, we are given the land to support the project. I think still under the impression that they could still get, because they don't really, they fail to understand the seriousness of the situation. Mr. Rajeev Reddy, he should understand that there are 2 contempt cases pending against him. They have a working night and day. They have demolished our compound walls. They, after sending one contempt notice also, the work continued. We sent a second contempt notice that will involve not only him, it will involve his entire office, his associates and everybody. They are not able to understand the seriousness of the judiciary. The law of the land will definitely catch up. Well, they are still asking. That's what I am trying to tell you. They are still asking, and because the matter had gone to situation where they were coming to break the compound wall. They are not asking, they are taking. Asking, there is another judgment. Narasimha Reddy garu, there is one single bench judgment. You can't touch the property unless the owner gives the consent. Contrary to all that, they not only asked, they just broke up in the walls. It's like a daylight robbery. Beyond that also they want to break open. They are not telling the designs, they are not opening up anything, they are not giving any plans, they are not telling what is in their mind. That is what exactly we want to demand. We want to demand the entire DPR to be made public. It exceeded, it is in our compound wall. They wanted to demolish the building also, to have a station. They wanted to demolish the corporate office to accommodate a railway station, which was actually supposed to be coming near the Hyderabad public school. They wanted to change their alignment, and then they wanted to come to the country club. Well, they have not specified how much land they want, but they were they have not specified, they are not giving information. The whole thing about HMR is they are very secretive. Very, very secretive. They are not at all open. There is absolutely no transparency. And it is a really very sad thing that, it is surprising. Till I got this order, till I saw it with my own eyes, I went personally and I saw the measurements and all that. I was shocked. I was surprised that this can happen. And what kind of a dubious characters are these people? The court, they have submitted, because of the pressure of the High Court, they have submitted the court, after hearing positive judgment. In fact, they have also observed, directed to hold, they asked them to hold the Section 5 inquiry, and then with the objective of an early reduction of this thing, and they have stayed the entire construction from public school to lifestyle. And because we didn't want a situation to escalate beyond that, because they can't say, we have built everything and only country club is coming in the way. It's a fate, it's known as fait accompli. Section 5A, my dear friend, is an inquiry that will be conducted over a period of time. And we wanted to get all the facts together before the Section 5A inquiry also starts. It is very important for the people to understand that these are not open and shut cases, but these are all things that are directly exposed to the market and exposed to the people and exposed to the media, and I think everybody has the right to know.